Coconut root wilt disease is in the news recently due to its rapid spread across major coconut growing regions of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, affecting lakhs of farms. Debilate, a debilitating, non-fatal disease of coconut caused by a phytoplasma phloem limited pathogen, leading to a chronic decline and major yield loss. Infected palms often remain alive but become long-term inoculum sources, enabling continued spread through vectors. First reported over 150 years ago from Eratupetta, Kerala, and has remained a persistent endemic problem. Spread is vector-borne and is accelerated by continuous coconut belts, wind-assisted vector movement, and rising abiotic stress temperature extremes, plus biotic stress, new sucking pests like white flies that increases palms susceptibility transmitted through a sap sucking insect vectors. Commonly cited vectors in endemic areas include Stephanitis typica and Protista moesta. Symptoms: tree slowly weakens such that roots start decaying, growth become poor, and in some cases the top of the trunk become thin and tapered. Tree produces fewer flowers, nuts fall prematurely, and overall yield drops sharply. The small leaf strips lose stiffness and hang down instead of standing firm. This is usually the first visible sign. Leaves curl and cup inward means the leaf strip bend inward, making the whole leaf look ribbed or cup shaped. Yellowing starts at the ends of leaves and slowly spread inward. In later cases, stages parts of leaves dry up and die. Apply farmyard manure or organic manure or green manure along with neem cake every year. Healthy soil and strong roots helps palm tolerate disease better even if infection occurs. Remove badly affected low yielding palms to reduce disease spread. Improve soil health using regular irrigation, proper drainage, and follow suitable intercropping to reduce stress on coconut palms. Palms that continue to yield well despite disease pressure should be identified in farmer fields, scientifically confirmed, and multiplied through local nurseries. This is the solution of this problem.